Hey y'all, so I'm back. I haven't posted on YouTube in a while, like since August last year. It's been months. I honestly haven't been posting because I started college and then I started going to school in person and stuff, and I really didn't have time to post anything. But I've been consistent with the makeup posts on my Instagram, so if you want to check that out, go follow my Instagram. It will probably appear over here. Yeah, just been busy and stuff, but I'm glad to be back. Well, I really like took a break from YouTube basically, but I came back and I came up so much better because now I got like a ring light and stuff, so I feel like now I could record better because before I didn't have no lighting or anything. So now I feel like I have better quality videos for y'all. So, and thank you so much for the subscribers that are still here. I feel like I still have the same amount of subscribers even if I was gone. Like, y'all are the best. Y'all still subscribe to me even if I didn't post anything for months. So thank y'all. Shout out to y'all. So today I'm gonna share my tips and tricks because while I was gone I bought different makeup and palettes and stuff. So I'm just, well, today I'm not doing an eyeshadow look or anything. I'm just gonna do like a natural beat, like what I use, what primer I use to make my makeup come out smooth and dewy or like just flawless. So yeah, because many of y'all requested like a makeup tutorial on that and like what products I use, and also an eyebrow tutorial. So in this video I'm gonna include an eyebrow tutorial as well. And yeah, so while I was gone I got into a new brow pomade. I usually use the Anastasia one, but I started using the elf one, and I got the elf brow pencil. So today I'm gonna use the Anastasia one because that's what I usually use, and many people wanted to see me do an eyebrow tutorial with this. So I'm gonna do this. Let me know if y'all want to see me use these two together or separated. Let me know, guys. So this is a trick I have for y'all for my brows. I usually use edge control, and I use it to hold my brows. So I dip my spoolie in here and get some hair gel or edge gel, whatever, and then I put them on my brows. It just helps them hold a lot better, and I notice it doesn't move like for the whole day. My brows don't move. Yeah, and I'm gonna just go in and outline my brow like I normally do. I'm gonna start covering up my brows with the Pro Concealer. So I had to tie up my hair because my hair was getting annoying. So now we're just gonna have to blend that in. And I'm using this Real Techniques brush. The trick is to use powder. So I'm gonna go in with my Becca powder or whatever. And you're gonna have to want to put it on your brows so the concealer stays and doesn't budge or smudge or just fades away throughout the day. Because before I wouldn't use powder and my concealer that I would conceal my eyebrows with would like fade away and would look horrible. Now I go in with my NYX eyebrow gel and espresso. So we're gonna have to want to put that on. So now I'm going with the same Pro concealer. I forgot to tell y'all the shade, and it's in Creamy Beige. And we're just gonna put it all over our lid. I mean, this is optional. You don't really gotta do this. It's just optional. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Flawless concealer brush. It just smudge it. Not smudge it, but blend it out. So we're gonna get into the face. I'm gonna be using this Pond's moisturizer. Just gonna use that to make our foundation smoother and look nice. I'll go in with this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Oh my god, like this stuff is the bomb. Like you have to get this if you do makeup or do someone else's makeup. You have to get this because this immediately like hides your pores. So I'm gonna just go in with a brush and apply it. Alright, so now I'm gonna just rub that primer in. I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and I'm using the Anastasia Luminous Foundation in shade 355N. Then I like to go in with a damp beauty blender, and this is the key. You do not want to go in with a dry, crusty ass beauty blender because it just messes up your makeup. So now I'm gonna go in with concealer, and while I was going, like this was trending, the e.l.f. hydrating camo concealers, and I use 2 shades. Sometimes I mix both of them if this one is too light, but when I want a bright under eye, I only use the bright one. So today I'm gonna use the Fair Warm. So now I'm gonna go in with my contour. I use the e.l.f. cream contour palette. I like using cream products because I feel like it gives a better finish than if you use just powder. Grab another damp beauty blender, and this is the e.l.f. beauty blender, and blend out my concealer. We're just gonna go in and blend this. And I like to point upward, not downward. I'm really showing y'all my tips and tricks because y'all about to see this nose contour. So I use this type of brush. It's a eyeshadow brush, but I use it to blend my nose contour, and it's from Makeup Revolution, and the number E102. And I just go ahead and put this contour downward to sculpt the nose and just blend the contour in. Once we're done blending that out, I'm gonna take my brush and pat down the concealer. So once we pat that down, I go back in with my concealer and put some more on the sides of my nose. Then I go ahead and blend that out. I actually like to go in with the Fit Me loose powder in shade number 10 and just place it on. I'm gonna just wipe that off because I don't really like baking. I just like pressing it on. So now I'm gonna go in with my powder and set that contour. So I usually use this shade. When I want to do some extra, I mix it with this shade, but right now I'm gonna just use this shade. I'm gonna do something extra and just use the other darker shade and blend that in. Because I'm looking a little pale and I don't want to look pale. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with mascara. I already curled my lashes. Remember, always curl your lashes first. I'm going in with the Hydrofuge Telescopic Mascara by L'Oreal. I always like my mascara waterproof because my eyelashes are super straight and they go downwards throughout the day. So you see that? You see that? That's just like with one coat. I love this mascara. I'm gonna go in with lashes and I'm gonna be using my duo glue. This is the way I apply my lashes. I put the glue on the lash line. I'm putting these on. So I usually don't use tweezers. I put it on with my hands. So yeah, I'll just put it on with my hand. And right now with my black pencil liner, yeah, I'm gonna go under my eyes and just do this. Go under my waterline just a bit. Okay, now that we're done with the face, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and spray that all over. But today, I'm gonna use the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, and I just take this type of brush and just swirl it in there. Tap it in. I'm going to go in with this brown lip liner, and I got this at the beauty supply store for $1. So for $1 in the shade brown. So don't sleep on the dollar store, and this is really good and creamy. Today I'm going to be using LM Cosmetics glosses, these 3 right here. This is just one of their oils, and yes, I am a PR member, so you can use my discount code Liz at the checkout and you will save money. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and outline my lips. Alright, so then I go in with the lip oil to moisturize my lips. And then I'm gonna go in with this. This is such a nice shade of pink. Go in with this. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Okay, so this is the end of this tutorial, little trips and tips I gave y'all. I hope y'all liked it. I really shared so much secrets, not secrets, but you know, my tips with y'all. Like, I hope y'all use it and find it very helpful. Once again, go get you some LM Cosmetics glosses. They are so bomb. Like, yeah, so I really love the look. It came out so pretty and so smooth. I really recommend the products that I just mentioned to y'all, so please get your hands on that. I'm not sure if I'm going to be making constant videos. I'm about to go back in person college this Thursday, so it's like I'm trying to balance. Plus, I also have to upload on my Instagram page. Please book me. Please show support. Like it will really mean a lot. Like, my prices are reasonable. I don't charge too much. You know what I'm saying? So please support me. Please repost. Please give this video a like and comment down what tip y'all liked, and yeah, which ones y'all gonna use. Yeah, bye y'all.